Previously on Lightning Point.
You didn't tell anyone about this, did you? I told everyone. Famous Luca.
I don't understand. Did you send the right signal?
This can't be the response.
This is a circus, Brandon. I don't want any part of it. I feel it's only right that I keep your secret safe.
I've checked the records, and this boat is the one that belonged to your parents.
He isn't going to give up searching until he has proof. Brandon's our biggest threat.
You've improved. You were pulling some big waves out there. Not that long ago, you were just average. Now, you're almost good.
You think? Might even end up as good as you.
Watch closely. You could learn something.
But you might still be hanging here.
Looks like any normal cane field now.
It is.
Yeah, right. Boats and crop circles, they're normal.
Okay, something weird did happen here. That was weeks ago. The area's been harvested. Whatever it was, there's nothing left of it now.
We saw those plasma creatures.
I meant, whatever went on here is over.
Yeah, maybe, but whatever happened to my parents, they did it.
You don't know that for sure.
Hey, that boat didn't get here by itself. If the aliens didn't dump it there, then who did? And if they had my parents' boat, I don't care how long it takes. I'm gonna find them.
I don't get it. They should have come for us by now.
I know.
Maybe you need to be patient.
I have been. If it had worked, we would be home.
But why would they ignore us?
I don't know. A signal was sent. All it did was unlock that boat.
Then there must be something special about it.
The police towed it away. They've been all over it and they didn't find a thing.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Haven't seen you around much.
I've been busy.
Making sure things are back to normal?
Trying. So, nothing's come in from Lumina? Well, it mightn't be all you have to worry about. Brandon's seriously fired up about finding out what happened to his parents.
But it wasn't Luminans. We don't do abduction.
You do believe that, don't you?
Of course I do. I know what you guys are like. But exactly how do I explain that to Brandon?
Don't look at me. I don't have all the answers.
I better go.
Do you want to grab an ice cream?
No, I gotta go.
swell is perfect out there. You going in?
Not right now.
Don't let her intimidate you.
She doesn't.
You could be just as good as her
Could I?
with the right coaching.
From you.
Hey. With your board skills, you could be great.
If my skills are so good, why do I need a coach?
Local knowledge. I know all there is to know about this break. I could be your secret weapon.
I don't think so. Thanks anyway.
Suit yourself if you think you've got all the answers.
Wait.
The waves along here rise slowly and break fast. You've got to wait for them, then get up quick. Your footwork's got to be spot on.
Uh-huh.
So let's see it. Your footwork.
Okay.
No, not in the water. Here.
On the sand.
If you can't get it right here, then it's not going to happen out there.
I'm not going to stand on a surfboard in the middle of the beach.
Do you want my lesson or not? Okay. Make like you're riding a left-hand brake. That's good. All bend at the knees.
Awesome.
Good.
That is such a great idea. I had lessons just like that when I was 8 years old.
It's not a lesson. Just a bit of advice.
Well, my advice is that she should give up. Or get a board with training wheels.
I could get a board with an anchor on it and still beat you.
Really?
Really.
How about you prove it? Let's go. You and me, right now. Let's see who's better.
I don't need to prove myself to you.
Hear that? She's afraid.
I am not afraid.
She could give you a run for your money, Maddie.
Right then. Who does she think she is? Yeah.
I can't beat her.
Yes, you can. You've got a secret weapon, remember?
So does she. She's better than me.
Don't worry, Maddie.
I don't want to be humiliated in front of everyone.
You won't, if you listen to me. Okay then. Let's keep it simple. 2 rides each. Best overall wins.
Fine by me.
Great.
I can't stop thinking about that boat.
It's in the boatyard and the police didn't find a thing on it.
They might have missed something.
Why? Is there human?
Yes. Sometimes we can see things you can't. We need to take a look.
I'm not sure that's such a good idea. The boat's been impounded. If we're caught, they'll call the police. Your mum doesn't suspect a thing about the girls at the moment. The last thing we need is to make her suspicious by trespassing at the boatyard.
Who's going to catch us? Besides, you're a relative. You can give us permission.
Not really. Not without Brandon's okay.
So you won't help me.
It's not a good idea. It's a waste of time and it's way too dangerous.
It's fine.
Kiki. What?
Okay, who's going first?
After you.
How are you going to decide who wins?
I think it will be obvious.
No, we should have some kind of judge.
I'll do it.
Cool. How about we have Liam judge too? Me? Just to make it fair.
As if I wouldn't be fair. It's fine by me.
Okay, 2 rides each. The one who does the best over both rides wins.
This will be the easiest job you've ever had.
Okay, are you going to talk about it or bottle it up like you usually do?
What?
I can't always be your chaperone. Sooner or later you'll be alone with Kiki. You'll have to talk to her then.
Don't go there.
You still like her, don't you? She's still that same Kiki.
Except for being from a different galaxy.
And that's such a problem?
No. It was just a shock. An alien from another world. I have the right to be at least a bit surprised, haven't I?
You're from another world to her, but she still cares about you. You need to treat her better.
Well,
Impressive. Why are you impressive? You're up.
Don't worry about them. And don't make the same mistake she did.
She made a mistake.
She nearly missed the wave at the start. She had to work really hard to catch it up.
I'm still not going to beat that ride.
You won't need to. I told you I've got local knowledge. That includes knowing Madison. When she gets in front, she gets cocky. Then she slips up.
If you say so.
Just do like I said.
Mia, things are slowing up. Do you mind if I finish early today?
You got something to do, honey.
Yeah,
Go on and enjoy yourself.
thanks.
I didn't know you were into charity coaching.
It's not charity. She's good enough to beat you. That's it. You've got it. Up now.
she needs way more than just charity.
Seriously, not impressive.
It's cool.
You think?
Why we're even bothering with a second ride, I don't know.
She's taking it too fast. You see what she's doing?
She here?
Who?
Kiki. I went back to the diner to try and sort things out, but she was gone. Mia said she finished the shift early, right after we left.
Well, she's not here.
She's avoiding me.
I don't think so. She was pretty determined to look at the boat.
She wouldn't go there by herself.
Nothing.
Be patient, be patient.
Somebody there? Whoever you are, you shouldn't be in there.
I guess we got it wrong.
Stay still.
Maybe not. Wait there.
Got your whatever you are.
Hey, are you right in there?
What are you doing here?
I heard a scream.
I didn't scream.
Isn't this the boat I saw on the news?
This boat's off limits.
They found it in the cane field, didn't they? Come on, let me have a look.
I said get off.
Seen any aliens on it, have you? What was that?
None of your business.
Have you got someone down there?
Get off my property or I'll call the cops.
Oh, come on, man. I'm not hurting anyone. You wouldn't be lying to me, would you? Are you doing something legal down there?
Get off me.
Oh, sure thing. Just chill. The only reason I came up here is I heard someone scream.
I didn't scream.
Maybe you should call the cops.
I'll call the cops, all right.
Okay. I'm going.
Don't you let me catch you round here again.
Nailed it. That was perfect. That was a quality ride.
It was okay.
I scored it pretty highly.
So, what's the result?
Well, I thought it was close, but overall, Madison was way better.
What? Come on, it's a draw at least.
Actually, no. Madison won. You've got to be kidding me.
It's no big deal.
Yes, it is. You won.
Congratulations.
Thanks so much for getting me out of there. If you hadn't come along, I would have been part of a collection.
I'm glad we got there when we did.
Me too.
It was pretty reckless.
And I didn't find anything. At least we know there's nothing on there that will blow our secret.
But you almost blew it yourself.
I was angry at Luca because he wouldn't help. I thought you didn't care.
I do care. That's why I didn't want you to do it.
We're a team, and we need to stay a team.
What's the hurry?
I just have to go home. Maybe you should be celebrating with Madison.
You'll beat her next time. You're way good enough. I told you, all you need is a good coach. And since I'm a great coach, we should hook up. For coaching. We'll be unbeatable. What do you say?
I don't know. I'll think about it.
Okay, hear from me then.
You think we'll ever get home? Of course we will. You'll get us there. You just need to believe in yourself more.
You sound like my surf coach.
You've got yourself a surf coach?
Maybe.